Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the ToyerBee Telescope, a perfect companion for both adults and kids eager to delve into the wonders of astronomy. This portable refractor telescope boasts a 70mm aperture and offers magnification ranging from 15x to 150x, thanks to its two eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, making it ideal for viewing planets and the moon. With its fully coated, high-transmission optics lens, you'll enjoy clearer and brighter images, enhancing your stargazing experience. The telescope comes with a wireless remote and phone adapter, allowing you to capture stunning celestial photos effortlessly. It's designed for easy assembly and use, even for beginners, with detailed instructions to guide you every step of the way. Whether you're gifting it to an 8 to 12-year-old or indulging your own curiosity, this telescope promises an engaging and educational experience. Plus, with a reliable service team offering 3 years of satisfaction service, you can explore the universe with peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.